Welcome back to MSRCs. We're back on the workbench. I have my Class 2 rig here. I call it the Go Green. I got a problem with it. The problem is my winch is acting up, and I want to do a little repair on it. Pull the body of it off and get a better look at what's going on here. Which my front body clips held on with the high lid. And I want to add a little feature, glue some magnets in the back of the bed so it actually hold my body clips back here. When I pull my body off, I can just throw them on top. Glue some magnets right here. So when you pull the body off of it, you throw the body clips right there and it won't slide off and fall off and lose them. Maybe it'll help keep them losing them. Set this old body out of the way. Plug this thing up. I'm going to show y'all what kind of problem I'm having. Listen to it. You hear it? And it's stopping. I think I have a bad spot in the diameter on the motor. What we're going to do today is I ordered a new motor for this thing. See if y'all can get a look at it. This is the 9.5 Warren Winch. And I ordered a new motor for it. Part number is Z-E0051. It's a replacement motor. So that is what we're going to do today. We're going to replace this motor in this thing. See if that'll fix our problem. If y'all want to know what kind of winch controller I use a HOK winch controller, which is that. That is the HOK winch controller, which I really love because it's small and it's compact. It ain't like a lot of them other ones that are almost the size of the receiver. I have two HOK controllers, one to run my winch and one to run my lights off of my radio, which is very, very nice. Zoom in a little closer here. Take this thing apart now, which is a 1.5, I believe. I believe this just separates. There's a bearing. which this and probably all it needs is oiling. Let's open this up, take a look at the motors. Always compare your motors before you desolder them. Does have a plus right there in that corner, and this corner here will be the negative side, which I got them backwards. Here we go like this. So what we have to do now is take a solder gun and just desolder these and resolder them in them. It's been underwater. It's just time for just to replace it. Instead of replacing the whole winch, you can just replace the motor for $10. I mean, can't beat that. Winch is somewhere ballpark around $40. Sure they're stuck on there real good. I'll give them a little tug. Seems like it's working good. Before we put it together, we're going to try it out, make sure it works good. Then we're going to clean this case up and put it back together. Power. Oh yeah. Motor actually sounds better. Let's see if we can get this case cleaned back up, and because I do not want to put it back together dirty. This is just a duster, like you use on keyboard for computer. Check this ball bearing out, which it feels pretty good. I think we're going to reuse the ball bearing. I am going to put a little dirt out of it and oil it real good. All this is 30 weight motor oil. I actually use it in some of my shocks, but I'm going to put a little drop on this. A lot of people use Loctite. Stuff like this, I don't hardly ever use Loctite. I use clear fingernail polish. It is strong enough to keep the screw from backing out, which that's what you want, but it's also, you're able to break the screw loose and run it out, even though it is one of these little screws like this carries. All we want is just a little dab on the end of it, so keeping these screws from backing out, because normally after you take them loose one time, they're known to be back out themselves the next time. Alright guys, I got the winch back on, got all the wire back in place, got it tidied up real nice and neat. You really don't want your wires all be hanging. You might be able to snag them up with a root or limb, something like that. Got my light switch wire back in place. Sandpaper kind of scuffed up a little bit so the glue will actually stick. I got some extreme power thin glue here, and I have 3 of these little magnets. They're very, very strong magnets.
That's what I'm talking about. Those 3 little magnets right there.
Now, when you pull your body clips out, you can just do your body clips right there. See, I done lost one already. There it is. And they're there, they won't fall out. Winch works. All works off a switch here. Thank y'all for watching MSR RCs. Please like, share, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, check the notification bell. You know, if y'all see something y'all would like to see more of, please let me know in the description down below. I'm out.